to be recharging the air conditioning in this original 2000 Audi TT and save myself about $150 to $200 if I took it to a regular service, and probably more if I went to the Audi dealer. Okay, first things first, you have to turn the engine on. By the way, if you're comfortable with do-it-yourself projects, then this is a slam dunk. If you're not, you can either research it, or if you're just totally insecure, then go to a professional and let them knock it out. But I've had the car for almost 20 years, and I have other cars, so I'm pretty comfortable in this process. So, got to turn the engine on first. As you can see, I've got about 143,095 miles. Once that's done, you're going to turn the air conditioning all the way on. So when the Audis, you push in, it's low, you can hear it blowing. Take the auto off, the economy rather off, and it's at full throttle. Okay, so now we're going to test the level of the coolant to make sure that in fact it's not a air conditioning malfunction, and all it really needs is the refrigerant. Okay. All right. Because it's a larger capacity, and I've used it in the past, and it's fairly good. It's a more of a premium product, and a hose that you will need to not only put in the coolant but also to read it. And then there is my valve right there that I'll be inserting the coolant into. Okay, so all you got to do is just screw this hose onto the cap right here, and that's how you set it up. I've got a snug fit, and now I'm going to unscrew my cap, which is right here. Be careful with this. Again, the engine is running, and you don't want to lose this. And I will take this coming off, and there we go. So I'm going to take my hose. First things first, I've got to test to see where the gauge is. Alright, so my gauge actually is moved to the green section of the field, but it's still it's not as cold as I would like it, and that's the reason for the recharge. Everything is snug right here, and it snaps right in there. And so I'm ready for the charge, and they say you got to hold it at like a 12 o'clock angle, which I'll be doing, and just inserting in, and here we go. Alright, so I guess I was pretty much near empty, because I was at maybe 26, 27 PSI, and now I'm up to about 35, and I've used the entire can. And I'm going to take my plug off, put my cap back on, and then I'll see exactly what the temperature feels like. Cap is back on, and now let's go in and test it and see what it feels like. Alright, well, you can really feel the difference. It's nice and cool. As a matter of fact, I might have to go inside to get a jacket. So that's the demonstration. Took about, 10 minutes, maybe 15. A can of refrigerant. Just gotta follow the process step by step, and you're good to go. I hope it helps you. Like the video if you like it. If you dislike it, you can do that as well. Any comments would be appreciated, as it helps other viewers who look at this build the confidence and know how to save themselves, in my case, the Audi TT, $150 to $200 is what this would have cost if I had taken it to a technician. All right, thanks for watching.